What's up everyone, it's your girl Deja. Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll be doing a review of Duvolle's Radiance skincare system. Duvolle decided to send me this product for free, but don't worry, it's my full honest review. I can say whatever I want to say, and I decided to try this product out for 3 full weeks so I can really tell you guys how I like this product and also show you before and after of my skin. And make sure you watch the full video because I'll be giving you guys a 70% off discount code. So if you guys want to see my review, make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. We are on the road to 2K, y'all, so make sure you hit that sub button. But without further ado, let's get into the video. To begin, I want to discuss what all comes with the skincare system. You get 2 facial brushes. One is for cleansing and one is for exfoliating. You also get a body brush and a pumice stone within the system. And I also want to give you guys a demo on how I use it. So before I start off anything with cleaning my face, I make sure that I wash the brush. All I do is just get some soap and then I just clean off the brush because you want to make sure that you are removing the dirt from the brush, because if you're not doing that, like, you're not going to do your skin justice, trust me. So I just make sure that I clean the brush. After I do that, I just wet my face. And then I get a pump of my CeraVe Essay Cleanser and put it into the brush. And then I just clean my face in circular motions. And I make sure that I don't press too hard. And after I'm done doing that, I just wet my face again, make sure I get off all the cleanser, and then I just dry it off with a towel and follow it up with the moisturizer. And in terms of the body brush, I pretty much do the same thing. I just get a pump of my Dove soap while I'm in the shower, and I just use it all over my body to make sure, you know, my body is getting cleaned as well. And when it comes to the pumice stone, I just pretty much use it on my feet because that's where I want to remove the dead skin. And of course, after I use all of these brushes, I still wash them again because, like I said, you want to make sure you get all of that dirt off. So I clean it before and after I use the system. Now I want to talk about my before and after. So like I mentioned, I use a product for 3 weeks. So beforehand, my skin, I did have a few breakouts on one side. My skin wasn't like super crazy in terms of breakouts, but I did have some. So I wanted to see if the skincare system could improve my skin because I felt like I've kind of been stuck within my skin. Like, it's been decent, but I wanted to step it up a notch. So that's where my skin first started. After that first week, I did notice that my breakouts did go down, which was a huge plus. I just noticed that it left, you know, a few dark spots, which of course, like for me, is normal because usually after I have a breakout, I would get a dark spot after it. But after the 2-week mark, that's when I feel like I really started to see a difference. My skin started to look brighter, cleaner overall, and just like the texture of my skin, it just felt smoother. And coming to the final, the 3 weeks, like, y'all, I feel like my skin definitely has improved because from the start I had breakouts, and by the end I didn't have those same breakouts. I just now have to worry about like getting rid of potential dark spots. But when I say, like, people have noticed that my skin just has looked clearer and just overall brighter, I feel like that says a lot about the product. So I feel like I did see a difference within the 3 weeks, and I will continue to use the product because I did see a difference. Overall, I love this skincare system. When it comes to cleaning my face, I felt like it really did remove a lot of the dirt. When you wear makeup, it's important to really make sure that you get all of it off, and I feel like sometimes we just clean normally, you're not really getting all of the dirt off of your skin or the makeup. So with this, it definitely gets all of that dirt off of your face, and it will just really have your skin looking brighter and just rejuvenated. And in terms of the body brush, y'all, I love using the body brush because it will have my skin just feeling smoother, brighter. Like, I love it. And when it comes to the pumice stone, it removed all of that dead skin off of my feet because I model, so I feel like just walking in heels all day can definitely make your feet, you know, kind of rough. So just using that after I come back from practice, it feels amazing. So I would definitely recommend you guys getting this product. And of course, I know you guys have been waiting for the discount code, so I'm going to put the discount code right here, and I'm also going to put it in the description box. With this discount code, you will get 70% off. Originally the brush was priced at $95, but now it will be at $28.50. Like, that's a big discount. And when I say this brush could be perfect for yourself or just to give as a Christmas gift, because Christmas time is coming, I feel like it can be great. So make sure you guys take advantage of this code. But I want to say thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, make sure that you subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment down below if you plan on getting the spin brush system, and let me know how it works for you. But again, thank you guys so much for watching my video. Bye!